basic trigonometric functions and their connections. So we'll be discussing with SOHCAHTOA. These are very commonly known in high schools and all students take calculus. So what does it mean? When you are going in the first quadrant, here all will be positive. When you are going in the second quadrant, here sine will be positive. In the third quadrant, tangent will be positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cosine will be positive. These are the ideas. Now let us look at the definition when we are saying sine theta. So sine theta is going opposite over hypotenuse. So you're writing O over H, is that right? With respect to theta. Now I'm going with cosine other angle, which is pi by 2 minus theta. So pi by 2 minus theta is again when you're going with the cosine, so adjacent will be O now. The hypotenuse is H. So that means we can say sine theta is same as cosine pi by 2 minus theta. This is just from the diagram. But there is another way. You know that cosine x minus y equals cosine x cosine y plus sine x sine y. Now if you replace your x by pi over 2 and y by theta, so what do you get? Cosine pi by 2 cosine theta plus sine pi by 2, sorry, second sine pi by 2 and then sine theta. All right. So then in this case, what is the value of cosine pi by 2? As you know, is 0. And then sine pi by 2 is 1 times sine theta. So then you can see that cosine pi by 2 is same as sine theta. All right. So let me take another function, which is sine 11 pi by 2 plus theta. We want to see what it is. So 11 over 2 can be written as 5 plus 1/2. Is that right? So then I can say sine 5 pi plus pi over 2 plus theta. All right. So then look at the rotations. So let me combine this as one expression. So I have 5 pi. So see where we are going. 1 pi, 2, 3, 4, 5 pi comes here. Is that right? So when 5 pi comes here, so if it is just you say that I'm staying here, then it is simply sine pi by 2 plus theta, right? You can ignore this one because that is taking you as a reference angle. And then next, as you have seen now, sine pi by 2 plus theta or cosine pi by 2 plus theta, they are switching their relations. Cosine theta. Now we need to see where it is going further. We were actually here. Pi by 2 again here, and then it goes here. So that means my terminal site is in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cosine is positive, but I'm going from sine, so sine must be negative. So that gives me negative cosine theta. That's the idea.